Imagine you're at the helm of a growing business. Every day, you're juggling orders, managing stock levels, and trying to predict the unpredictable: customer demand. This is where StockTrim steps in, transforming the way small businesses like yours handle inventory forecasting. You might think you've got it covered with spreadsheets, but here's a shocker. Almost 90% of DIY inventory planning spreadsheets are riddled with errors. StockTrim leverages smart data analysis, directly attaching to your existing cloud-based inventory systems, ensuring those errors are a thing of the past. Now, let's talk savings, because at the end of the day, that's what truly matters. StockTrim users report up to 40% savings in working capital. Imagine what you could do with that extra financial breathing room. Maybe invest back into your business. But savings don't stop there. We've seen businesses cut their stockouts by an average of 50% and purchasing and admin time slashed by 75%. That's not just efficiency. That's a game changer. Perhaps you're wondering, is StockTrim for me? If you're a small to medium-sized business already harnessing the power of cloud inventory recording software, then yes, StockTrim is designed to seamlessly integrate into your current systems, offering advanced planning and forecasting without the headache. Setup is a breeze. Most users are up and running within 30 minutes to a few hours, with minimal training required. This means you can start reaping the benefits of StockTrim almost immediately. Our mission is simple: to free up your cash flow, making your business more profitable through better inventory forecasting. With StockTrim, you're not just surviving, you're thriving, even in the face of challenges like inflation and disrupted supply chains. Let's talk about tangible outcomes, because we know seeing is believing. Take Scott McKay, an import-export manager, who fell in love with StockTrim right away, or Kira Brooks, a CEO who saw a 74% improvement in managing idle inventory. And it's not just about reducing excess stock. Iris Smith, a founder and director, found peace of mind in StockTrim's ability to eliminate human error, ensuring her business had the stock it needed, without tying up unnecessary capital. Nicholas Hagman, a supply chain director, shares a similar success story. With StockTrim, his company significantly trimmed their stock, aligning perfectly with demand. This is the power of intelligent inventory forecasting. So, who is StockTrim for? Retailers, manufacturers, wholesalers. Essentially, any small to medium-sized business looking to optimize inventory in sectors like consumer goods, food and beverage, industry and construction across the globe. Are you ready to transform your inventory optimization? Get started with 2 weeks of free access to StockTrim. Onboarding and support are completely free for a limited time, so there's never been a better moment to take control of your inventory and push your business forward. Visit StockTrim.com to begin your journey to smarter inventory forecasting.